everyone, this is Simran Singh from Housey, and today I'm going to be revealing the project overview of One Marina by Ashwin Seth. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right here is the construction site. Have a look at it. And right behind me is the sales office. Come, let me take you to the main road and show you the neighborhood. As you can see, I'm standing at the main gate. You can check out the land parcel. Now here is the main road. Check out the main road, guys. The right leads you directly to Coastal Road and the left leads you to Marine Lines. In this video, we are going to be talking about project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, booking process, launch offers, discounts, and many more. But before moving ahead, let me give you an introduction of Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with developers, thereby giving you bottom rate pricing, unlike other current listing platforms where if you inquire once, your number is shared with multiple brokers, which may lead to many calls. But now you don't need to worry anymore because Housey is here where we connect you directly with builders. So buy your dream home directly with builders only on Housey. Talking about project overview, this project is made on a land parcel of 2.09 acres with 2 levels of basement, ground plus 9 levels of podium and 64 residential floor within configuration of 2, 3 and 4 BHK and duplex option available. Talking about the connectivity of this project is located in
Shamal Das Gandhi Marg Marine Lines.
with Coastal Road at a distance of just 1 minute, with Marine Line railway station at a distance of again 1 minute, with metro station at a distance of just 2 minutes, school, colleges, hospitals all within a radius of just 1 kilometer. Talking about amenities, this project has 40 plus luxurious amenity including infinity swimming pool, squash court, spa and sauna, mini theatre, gym and many more. Talking about carpet area, we have 2 BHK with 902 square feet, 3 BHK with 1567 square feet and 4 BHK with 2528 square feet. Now let me show you the USP of this very amazing project. It's the view. Check out the view. Currently I'm standing at the 34th floor, guys. Talking about the booking process, our EOI window is now open. Clients are invited to come and visit our site where our sales team will help you with the actual project details, will also help you with the payment and EMI schemes, will show you the project model, and if clients then like the project, they can continue with the EOI. The EOI amount for 2 BHK is 11 lakhs, for 3 BHK is 15 lakhs and for 4 BHK is 21 lakhs. So everyone, this was the project overview of One Marina by Ashwin Seth. To get more information about this project, don't forget to check the comment section. And to know more about such properties, do check the icon button. Also, do like, share and subscribe to Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.